Hi everybody, welcome to SMR Telugu Education. So next topic is write a program to find minimum value and minimum index. Maximum value and maximum index of given array. Write a program to find minimum value and minimum index, maximum value and maximum index of a given array. Here you have to take array size is 10 elements. First element, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here I am taking the base addresses 500, 502, 502, 504, 506, 508, 510, 512, 514, 516, 518. The first element is ARR of, here I am declaring array name is ARR, the base address, take array name as ARR. So first element is ARR of 0, ARR of 1, ARR of 2, ARR of 3, ARR of 4, ARR of 5, ARR of 6, ARR of 7, ARR of 8, ARR of 9. So 7, 8, 9. So initial values are some garbage values. Here I am entering some values. Entering values are 5, 9, some 4, some 10, then 8, take 28, take entering 3, 6, 21, and then 1. So in this program you have to find in this array you have to find the minimum value and minimum index. Here the minimum value is 9. In this example the minimum value is 9, the minimum value is 1, minimum index is 9. What is the maximum value? Maximum value is 28 and maximum index is 5. Okay, so how to calculate these values? Here I am taking the first array element, I am taken as minimum value and maximum value, minimum index and maximum index. Here you have to declare variables. So minimum value is equal to ARR of 0 and minimum index is minimum index is equal to 0. Next, maximum value is equal to error of 0. Here I am taking maximum value is 5 and then maximum index is 0. Okay, so first I am taking the first element. Error of 0 is minimum value, minimum index, maximum value and maximum index. Now I am comparing from these values. We are comparing from error of 1 to all these values. So in first iteration, here I am taking first value is error of 1, error of 1, okay. So now we have to compare the minimum value. Already we are comparing from array of 1 to 9. Here the initial value is, starting value is fixed. Starting value is, here I am taking I value is, starting value is 1. So I less than or equal to, up to last values we are comparing from 1 to 9 and I plus plus. This is the loop. Here what is the value of I? Here the value of I is this is I. So I value is 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, first you have to compare first element error of 1 with the minimum value and error of 1 with the maximum value. So here I am checking this particular condition is true. That means if let me check the condition. If we have to compare minimum value and error of I value. Here I is starting from 1. We have to compare these two values. Whenever the minimum value is greater than error of I. So this condition is true. That means the minimum value is, we have to change the minimum value. Minimum value is error of I. And then minimum index is I value. So once again you have to check the condition. If maximum value and error of I value. Once again you have to check if you have to compare maximum value and error of I value. We have to compare these two values. Whenever the maximum value is less than error of I, that means error of I value is maximum, then you have to assign maximum is equal to error of I and then maximum index is equal to I. So first you have to check this condition with I is equal to 1. Okay, first I is equal to 1, yes, condition I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 9, yes, condition true. We have to check error of 1 with the minimum value. minimum value is, what is the minimum value here? The minimum value is minimum value, maximum value, minimum index, maximum index. This is minimum, this is maximum. This is index, minimum index, this is maximum index. Okay, so initial value minimum is equal to error of 0. Error of 0 is 5. So here the minimum value is 5. Maximum minimum index is 0. Then maximum value is error of 0. Maximum value is 5. And then maximum index is 0. Now we are comparing these two values. These two values. So a of I is equal to, I value is 1, I less than or equal to 9. Yes, condition true. If minimum value is 5, 5 greater than or equal to, minimum value is 5, 5 greater than or equal to error of I. Error of I is 9. So 5 greater than or equal to 9. Condition false. The statements are not executed. Next, maximum value is 5, 5 less than error of I. Error of I value is 9. Yes, condition true. Then maximum value is, this maximum value is replaced with error of I. Error of I value is 1, error of 1, that value is 9. Here the maximum value is 9. Then maximum index is I. Here maximum index is 0 is replaced with 1. Next, I value is incremented. Here the maximum value is 9 and then maximum index is 1. Next, I value is incremented by 1. I value is 2. Now you have to check error of 2 with error of 2 with the minimum value. Here the minimum value is 5. So 5 greater than error of 5, 4. 5 greater than 4. Yes, condition true. Then the minimum value is error of 5. That means the minimum value is 5 is replaced with 4 and then minimum index is I. The minimum index is I. I value is 2. Next, once again check this condition. Maximum value is 9. 9 less than error of 5. Error of 5 value is 4. 4, 9 less than 4. So condition fail. The statements are not executed. Next, psi value is increment by next I value is increment by 3. Once again you have to check 3 value to error of 3. So minimum value is 4. 4 greater than error of 5, 10. So condition fail. These statements are not executed. Next, maximum value is 9. So 9 less than error of 5. Error of 5 value is 10. So 9 less than 10. Yes, condition true. Then maximum value is 9 is replaced with error of I value 10 and the maximum index is replaced with I value is 3. Next, I value is increment by 4. Next I value is increment by 4. So ARR of I value is 8. ARR of 4 value is 8. So minimum value is 4. So 4 greater than ARR of I value is 8. 4 greater than 8. Condition false. These statements are not executed. Next maximum value is 10. 10 less than 8. 10 less than 8. Condition false. So these statements are not executed. Next I value is increment by 5. Next I value is 5. Now you have to check ARR of 5 value. So 5 less than 9, yes, condition true. Here the minimum value is 4 greater than ARR of 5 value is 28. 4 greater than 28. Condition false. These statements are not executed. Next max value is 10. So 10 less than 28, yes, condition true. Then maximum value is replaced with ARR of 5. ARR of 5 value is 28. Next maximum index is 5. Here maximum index is replaced with 5. Next I value is increment by 6. The minimum value is 4. Next I value is increment by 6. Now ARR of I means ARR of 6. Minimum value is 4. 4 greater than ARR of 6. 3. 4 greater than 3. Yes, condition true. Then minimum value is, this one is replaced with 3. Next minimum index is replaced with I value. Index value is 6. Next maximum value is 28. 28 less than ARR of I. ARR of I value is 3. 28 less than 3. Condition false. These statements are not executed. Next I value is increment by 7. Next I value is 7. Now ARR of 7 value is 6. If the minimum value is 3, so 3 greater than ARR of I 6. 6. 3 greater than 6. Condition fail. These statements are not executed. Next maximum value is 28. So 28 less than ARR of I 6. This condition is also failed. These statements are not executed. Next I value is increment by 1. Next I value is 8. Next minimum value is 3. So 3 greater than ARR of 8 21. 3 greater than 21. Condition fail. These statements are not executed. Next maximum value is 28. 28 less than ARR of I 21. 28 less than 21. Condition fail. These statements are not executed. Next I value is increment by 1. Next I value is 9. Next minimum value is 3. 3 greater than ARR of I. ARR of 1. 3 greater than 1 as condition true, then minimum value is 1. This value is replaced with 1. Minimum index is 9. Next, maximum value is 28. 28 less than AR of 5, 1. Condition fail. These statements are not executed. Next, I value is increment by 10. Next, 10 less than 9, condition fail, out of the loop. Okay, after execution of this code, the minimum value is present in which variable? The minimum value is the minimum value is 1, which is minimum index is 9. Maximum value is 28. Maximum index is 5. We have to print these values. Okay, now how to first we know how to convert this code. Okay, now we have to convert this one into our C program. Now how many variables you have to declare in this code? You have to use how many variables? One is integer variable, integer array of size 10. Next, minimum and minimum index, maximum and maximum index. Okay, next you have to scan the array elements. After scanning, you have to enter the same values: 5, 9, 4, 8, 10, 8, 28, 3, 6, 21 and 8. Now you have to convert this code. Declare how many variables? Minimum, minimum index, maximum index, I for loop. Okay, now we have to convert this one into our C program. How to convert this one into our C code? So F2, I will take file name is minimum.c. Okay, so void main. Here you have to use how many variables? Int array of size 10. Next, we are using int minimum value, minimum, int maximum, int minimum index, int maximum index. Next, loop purpose you have to use I. Okay. Next, I am using CLRS here to clear the screen and ask the end user to scan the array elements. So printf enter 10 array elements. And scanf percentage d comma. Okay, how many elements you have to scan? AR of 0 to AR of 9. Next, here I am writing loop I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus 0 to 9. Here I am asking printf slash n, enter first element, enter percentage d element. Here I am writing I plus 1. I value, initial I value 0, that's why I am writing I plus 1. And scanf percentage d comma address of ARR of I. Okay, after scanning, first you have to assign minimum value is equal to ARR of 0 and maximum value is equal to ARR of 0, maximum index is equal to 0, then minimum index is equal to 0. Okay, so instead of writing 4 statements, here simply write minimum is equal to maximum is equal to ARR of 0, minimum index is equal to maximum index is equal to 0. Here you have to write the logic for, you have to compare first element to ninth element. You have to write for I is equal to 1 to I less than 10, I plus plus. Here you have to compare first element if minimum value and error of I value. If error of I value is less than minimum, that's minimum is greater than error of I, that means you have to assign minimum value is error of I, then minimum index is I. If we have to compare maximum value and error of I, compare these two values. Whenever error of I value is greater than maximum value, maximum is less than error of I, then you have to assign max is equal to, maximum value is equal to error of I, and then maximum index is equal to I. So after completion of this code, the maximum value is present in minimum value present in min variable, maximum value is present in max variable. You have to print that values. So printf /n, so minimum value is equal to %d space minimum index is equal to %d, comma minimum value is present in min, minimum index is present in min I, and then printf /n max value is equal to %d max underscore index is equal to %d, comma max index. Just save this file. Just here I am writing Alt F9 compilation and control F9. First you have to debug that code. Okay, Windows watch. In this, how many variables are defined? Debug, watches, add watch. I want to show error. Next min, next value is max, next value is minimum index, next one is maximum index, next I value. So F7, so memory is allocated for all the variables. So this loop is repeated, so 10 times. First element is stored in this address, second element, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, so F7 enter first element. Here I am entering first element is 594. F7 9, F7 4, F7 10 8 28, 10, F7 8, F7 28, F7 3 6 21, 3 6 21, then 1. We had entered, so 10 elements. In these 10 elements, the minimum value is 1, minimum index is 9, maximum value is at index number 6, maximum value is 28 at index 6 5. Okay, so F7. So in this code the minimum maximum value is 28 and minimum value is 1. The minimum maximum index is 0 1 2 3 4 5 and minimum index is 9. You have to check that values. So Windows watch. So here starting. So minimum value is maximum value is error of 0. Error of 0 value is 5. Minimum index is 0. Maximum index is 0. Minimum index. By mistake you are giving max index. By mistake here we are giving minimum index is by mistake max. Okay, no problem. Minimum index is 0. First check this condition. So better to go and take minimum index is minimum index is 0 and maximum index is 0. So F7 once again first time 1. Once again you enter the values 6 5 9 4 5 9 4. Next one is 10 8 28. 10 8 F7 28. Next values is 3 3 6 21. 3 6 21. Next value is 1. Okay, so 10 array elements. So F7 so minimum value is 5, maximum value is 5, minimum index is 0, maximum index is 0. First I value is 1, I value is 1, 1 less than 10, yes, condition true. Check the 5 and these two values. This condition is fail. Minimum value is 5 greater than 9, condition false. Next control, these statements are not executed. This control goes to this statement, this one. So max value is 5, 9. Max is 5 less than 9, yes, condition true. Then max value change it to 9. Look at here, max value is change it to 9 and max index is 1. This maximum index is 1. Change it to 1. Once again, next I value is 4. Now compare these two values. Minimum is 5, 5 greater than 4. Yes, condition true. These statements are executed. Minimum value is 4. These statements are executed. Minimum value is 4. 4. Minimum index is, this index is changed to 2. 2. Next max value is 9. 9 less than 4. Condition fail. These statements are not executed. Next I value is 3. So 3 less than 10. Yes, condition true. Now you have to check the minimum value 4 and 10. So 4 greater than 10. Condition false. These statements are not executed. Next 10 and 9. Max 9 less than 10. Yes, condition true. These two values, max value is 10. That's why max value changed to, we are assigning 10 to max. This max value is changed to 10 and then max index is 3. This index is changed to 3. Once again, next value is 4. I value is 4. Now you have to check it 8 with 4. So minimum is 4. 4 greater than 8. Condition fail. These statements are not executed. Next max value is 10 and 8. 10 less than 8. Condition fails. These statements are not executed. Next I value is 5. Now we have to check these values. 4 minimum value is 4 and 28. 4 greater than 28. 4 greater than 28. Condition false. These statements are not executed. And maximum value is 10 and 28. 10 less than 28 as condition true. These two values, in these two values, maximum value is 28. This true. Then we have to assign error of I values to max. Though the max value is 28. Let's change it to 28. Then maximum index is 5. This index is changed to 5. Next 6. Minimum is 4. 4 greater than 3 as condition true. Then minimum value is changed to 3. Here the minimum value is 3. Then minimum index is 6. The minimum index is 6. Next, this condition is failed. These statements are not executed. Next 6 and 3 condition failed. These condition also failed. These statements are not executed. Next 21 and 3. This condition failed. This condition also failed. These statements are not executed. Next I value is 1. So 3 1. 3 greater than 1. Yes, condition true. Then minimum value is 1 is assigned to minimum. If the minimum value is 1, then minimum index is 9. This value changed to 9. This one is failed. Next I value is 10. 10 less than 10, condition false, out of the loop. After completion of the, whenever control goes out of the loop, this statement will be executed. Now the minimum value is 1. 1 is replaced here. The min space value 1 space min underscore index value is minimum index is 9. Alt F5. So min value is 1, minimum index is 9. So F7. Next max value is 28, maximum index is 5. Alt F5. Okay. So you have to debug this code like this. Okay. So still you have to any doubts, please refer once again. Thank you for watching.